Hi friends, now you are seeing is a product of Starling, and this is for hair patch care solution. And a lot of people who don't want to wash their patches, they can use this instant waterless cleanser and conditioner for hair patches, wigs and hair extensions. And the people who doesn't have time, it is very useful. So please use this product. It's very good. We have seen very good results to the client, and lot of time will not consume with this. This is just 1190. It is available at Wigs Designs. Just 2 minutes, anywhere, anytime. It's for both ladies and gents.